Hello, so I'm Jade Bradley, nutritionist from Restore Nutrition, and we are here today at the Foyle Food Bank. I have recently been working with My Food Community, which is an incentive that is working to open up cooking together, eating together, and spreading food education throughout the community, which is an amazing incentive, and that's why we want to encourage people to try some of these amazing recipes and to know that they can eat well on a budget. So we've got a group of people here today to cook together and make some really delicious, nutritious and budget-friendly meals that are great for the whole family. Welcome everybody. Today is part of Cook and Share Month in association with the Soil Association. So today we're going to cook together our amazing bean and lentil chili and also our skin on potato wedges, which both are really tasty. I love them, so hopefully you will enjoy them as well. I'm going to start off by, what we need to do is I want to start parboiling the potatoes. I'm just going to cut them into like a wedge shape. I'm not making them too big because it'll take it longer to cook. Kind of this kind of size and shape. And we're going to parboil them for 8 minutes. What we can start now, right, whenever we're waiting for our potatoes to parboil, is we can start getting our other veggies chopped up. Right, so now we are just going to take our potatoes off parboil and get those ready, mix them with some spices and oil and pop them in the oven to get those skin on potato wedges cooking. For the potato wedges, I am going to mix some curry powder and cumin with some 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to mix this into a paste. Lots of steam coming off the potatoes. So I have just popped in my parboiled potatoes into the curry powder and cumin and just mixing that through well with the olive oil. So I'm just adding some salt and some pepper. Lay these out evenly on a baking tray so I can pop them in the oven for around 30 minutes. So we've got a large onion, some carrots, some celery, some peppers. You can use any seasonal veg in this, so you don't have to just use what's on the recipe card. Getting these chilies ready to pop in the pan with the onions. So next up, I am going to rinse off my beans and lentils, making sure that I rinse them until there are no bubbles, the foam that comes off them, just rinsing it until they all disappear. It's better for digestion. If you've got any issues with digesting beans and lentils, it's really important to do this when you're cooking them. I'm just going to add my smoked paprika, cumin and bay leaf into my pot, and I'm going to mix that around and let it cook for like a minute just to release the flavors. So I am going to crumble in a vegetable stock cube and then add 600 ml of boiling water into the pot. So now I'm going to add my beans and lentils into the pot along with my tin of tomatoes and tomato puree and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. So we have just popped the potato wedges out of the oven. They're all lovely and golden brown, cooked on the outside, nice and crispy. These are ready to serve, and we are just waiting for our chili, which will be ready in a minute. And that's our dish ready. So the Lentil and bean chili is ready. Just going to pop it off the heat, and it smells delicious. I'm just going to top off with some of the celery leaves that we had from earlier. There we go. Our lentil and bean chili and the skin on potato wedges. Hopefully after today's recipe you can see how easy it is to make delicious, nutritious food on a budget whilst also using seasonal local produce. It's really quick and easy, it's really cost effective, and it's good food for the whole family. So on behalf of the Soil Association for Cook and Share Month, we hope that you enjoy these recipes.